What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here cruising on the little mighty 90. Meow. I actually haven't ridden this bike in like a week, so I wanted to get out here and cruise on it because we have our first upgrade coming. Like a well, that's one thing with this little Nightster. It always likes to stall. Alright, so our first upgrade we have coming, I said in my first riding and rambling video, we are going to do the switchback seat. The Harley Davidson branded switchback seat. It's like, almost looks like a Saddleman step up. This thing is so fun. Yeah, almost looks like the Saddleman step-up seat. It's a Harley brand, and it works with this seat that you have to lift up to put gas in your bike. I'm not saying this is the funnest bike I have, but it's a very, very fun bike.
What a waste of love.
The mighty 90, I call it. So the step-up seat, this seat right here flips up. I'll show you. Bam, gas goes there. Yeah. So the one from Harley, I think half of it, yeah, half of it will flip up and the back will stay there. But I'm super excited. Finally, the first upgrade for this bad boy, and it's a step in the right direction for what I want it to look like. Get rid of that. Probably wait a little bit longer for the exhaust to come out. Get rid of these. I hate these mirrors. As I said in that last video, when you're splitting, you feel like you're like 10 feet wide. Taller bars for my big old self, and I mean, it's pretty much where I like it. Maybe a little wider foot pegs. I've seen a quick shifter for this. Somebody else chime in if you have the Nightster 975. I kind of would like to try out that quick shifter. Sounds pretty dang cool. Boom. Not your traditional Harley. Loving it. So sometimes I like to get out on this bike and just practice like little slow speeds. This bike might have the best brakes on all my bikes. And it has ABS. So much fun on this bike, man.